Welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. Today I'm sharing a fun and easy way to save money and earn cash back while shopping for the things you normally buy. If you're like me, you love saving money but hate the part where you have to dig around for coupon codes that don't even work half the time, let me introduce you to my new favorite frugal life hack, and it's called Coupert. It's a free browser extension that basically does the coupon hunting for you automatically. Here's how it works. You're shopping online, maybe grabbing kids' clothes, home decor, or planning for back to school. And when you get to checkout, Coupert jumps in and automatically tests coupon codes for you. You just have to sit back and watch the price go down. Coupert works with over 200,000 stores and supports all the major browsers like Chrome, Safari, Edge, you name it. With over 6 million weekly users on desktop and 3 million on mobile, this is one of the most trusted ways to save without lifting a finger. But that's not all, it also gives you cash back. So every time you shop, Coupert might actually pay you to check out. You can cash out via PayPal, gift cards, or straight to your bank account. And if you're comparing prices like I always do when buying bigger items, Coupert shows you price comparisons across different retailers while you shop, so you know that you're getting the best deal. Here's what to do. Download the Coupert extension, which is totally free. Sign up with your email, and then you're just gonna shop like normal. Coupert will handle the rest. Okay, let's see if we can actually do some shopping and apply Coupert and save some money. So let's shop for some shoes. Kids are always outgrowing the shoes, so that is definitely somewhere I love if I can save some money. So I'm just browsing like usual. Right away, I grab this shoe and it's showing me that there's a lower price at 12 different stores. So I'm on the Nike website right now, but it's like, slow your roll. We can find a better price for you right now. So that's awesome. Let's save now and let's see if we can find the best deal. It's going to show me a price comparison right now, which is really cool. Oh, and yeah, right away, look here, these shoes are definitely cheaper there. That's the one we were looking at. We see they're $90 at Nike.com, but look, we can get them for $73.41 at the store. At Scheels, they're $86.47. So this is really cool. And it shows exactly how much you can save over here. So look, we can save $16 at this place. That's crazy. Once we add our option to the cart, Coupert is still working for us in the background, and they found 14 coupons. So they're going to go ahead and try the coupons. They've already saved us a couple dollars by price comparison, but now Coupert is going to test a bunch of coupon codes that are out there and make sure that we have the best price. Okay, so it tried all the codes and it tells me that I have the best price already that we found. So I can feel really comfortable going ahead and buying this product. We did a price comparison. It's one of the cheaper ones in the color that we wanted. We tried all the coupon codes. It is telling us this is a good deal. Go ahead and buy these shoes today. It's like having a little savings sidekick that follows you around the internet. And you know I love anything that makes saving money easy and fun. Make sure you grab the link in the description box below and start saving. And make sure to subscribe so we can keep making frugal a little more fun together. I'll see you in the next one.